Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can watch MrBeast new show Beast Games right here in India. Yes, it's officially out. And yes, it's available to stream in India without any VPN or tricks. So let's get straight to the point. Beast Game is streaming on Amazon Prime Video. That's right, all you need is access to Prime Video to watch it. Now, if you're wondering how to get that, it's super simple. Just go to your Amazon app or website and subscribe to Amazon Prime. Once you're Prime member, you automatically get access to Prime Video, no extra charges. Prime Video is Amazon's streaming platform where you can watch tons of movies, series, and now Beast Games. Once you've got the subscription, just open Prime Video and search for Beast Games in search bar. If it does not show up for some reasons, don't worry. Here's a quick hack. Just go to Google and type in Beast Games site primevideo.com. and it'll directly show you the link to the show. Click on it and boom, you're in. You can start watching all the available episodes right away. That's it, super quick and super easy. So if you're a Mr. Beast fan, now you know exactly how to catch his new game show in India. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching.